My name is Maryia Karpiyevich, and I'm a product development scientist at SPT Labtech, and I would like you to meet Dragonfly Discovery. Dragonfly Discovery is our non-contact positive displacement dispenser that has 10 independent syringes that can dispense up to 10 liquids or can dispense just one liquid very quickly when the syringes work in concert. Dragonfly Discovery is very well suited for applications with challenging liquids, such as 3D cell culture. For 3D cell culture, we often want to use a scaffold that provides structural support to the 3D organoids. And Dragonfly Discovery can dispense challenging liquids with ease, mainly due to it leveraging positive displacement technology. So in my hand is the syringe that Dragonfly Discovery uses for aspirating and dispensing liquids. And the liquids that are aspirated are in direct contact with the plunger. There's no air in the channel, and this allows Dragonfly Discovery to dispense with accuracy and precision. Dragonfly Discovery can dispense down to 200 nanoliters, and the capacity of the syringe is up to 4 milliliters, which means that it can aspirate a full syringe and dispense as much as you like. Another positive component of Dragonfly Discovery that helps with a whole range of applications is the fact that it is non-contact, which means that it does not go into each individual well on your plate. Instead, it flies above the plate and dispenses into each well you want it to dispense to. That means that there is no cross-contamination, and you can use syringe for a broad range of labware types, down to 1536 well plates, and also larger capacity plates, such as 6 well plate, or any labware you want to dispense into, as long as it is SBS footprint. Now, we discussed that Dragonfly Discovery is a very good fit for 3D culture, cell culture applications, and now we'll look at dispensing some of the hydrogels using Dragonfly Discovery.